Ever thought your creativity could actually pay the bills? With Canva, it totally can. Forget needing fancy software or years of design school. We're talking about real gigs for beginners, like designing social media posts for local businesses, creating eye-catching flyers for events, or even whipping up simple logos for startups. Think about that cute bakery down the street that needs a fresh Instagram feed, or your friend who's launching a small online shop and needs a professional-looking banner. These are opportunities waiting for someone with a bit of visual flair and Canva's easy-to-use tools. The beauty of Canva is its drag-and-drop interface and tons of pre-made templates. This means you can quickly learn to create professional-looking graphics that clients will love. You can start by offering services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, showcasing a small portfolio of designs you've made. Even creating a few sample logos or social media graphics for fictional businesses can be a great way to build that initial portfolio and attract your first clients. Imagine designing a vibrant event poster for a local farmer's market or a sleek menu for a new cafe. So, if you've got a knack for visuals and a desire to earn, dive into Canva. Start small, practice with templates, and don't be afraid to put your work out there. You might be surprised at how quickly you can turn your design skills into a flexible income stream, all from the comfort of your own computer. Give it a try. Your next client could be just a few clicks away.